Hey, what's up guys, this is Saman here from Expert Gadgets, and welcome to another episode of Best Accessories for your smartphone. But before we begin, don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell icon if you don't want to miss out on some more upcoming content. And now, let's get this video started. First up, we have the Yuba-sized mobile tripod. Now this is a lightweight, compact, and portable universal mobile phone tripod. The tripod can be used for all smartphones, digital cameras, and GoPro. It also comes with a Bluetooth remote control button that can be used for both iOS and Android devices, and this makes it a lot easier to take photos or videos when out of reach. Inside the box, you get a Yuba-sized tripod, a universal action camera holder, a Bluetooth remote, a universal clamp, a strap, and a nice fabric carrying bag. The tripod is made from foam, metals, and mostly plastic. And the best thing is that this stand can be bent in any way you want, so mounting it will be a lot easier as it will clamp on any kind of bar. Plus the head rotates, making things a lot easier. All in all, the tripod is simple to use and it is ideal for group photographs. Next up, we have the Edifier W830BT. For just $40, it's amazing how much Edifier offers. This headphone is well built, the foams are soft and very comfortable around your ear. Plus the headphone collapses and can be carried around easily. You also get a nice hard-shelled carrying case for more protection. It features aptX and Bluetooth 4.1 for great and seamless audio. Now speaking about the audio, it is outstanding. The lows are balanced, mids are lush, and the highs are crystal clear. The headphones also offers NFC for easy pairing and gives you about 70 hours of playback, which is way more than what normal Bluetooth headphones in this price range offer. Overall, for the sound it offers and its features, you will not find a better headphone in this price range. Next up, we have the Mastiha Sunrise Lamp. This amazing product has an amber-like resin that has been perfectly molded into the shape of a half sun. The sun is a lamp that radiates a warm, soothing amber glow, just like the sun appears on the horizon. And it provides you a peaceful and relaxing atmosphere to help with meditation, or if you want to simply show it off. You can also control the light with one simple effortless touch, and the brightness of the light is dimmable if you slide slowly on the on and off button. You also get wireless charging functionality, so you not only have a great showcase product, but also a wireless charger that can charge any Qi-enabled devices. And it also acts as a great phone or tablet stand, and looks great as a decor for your home or office. Next up, we have the ZTE Wallet Case. Now some of you may not have a habit of carrying purses around, and for those people, this is the perfect phone case for you. Not only is this a proper case with premium materials, it is also a purse. The purse is secured around a ziplock, and inside there is plenty of space to carry some money and credit cards. The case looks and feels premium and adds a little aesthetic to the phone. It also comes in various colors and designs. Like this case, which is geared more towards women. You've got a nice carrying strap and a chain to carry your phone like a bag. There are different types of cases available for various phones on their website, so do check them out. And if you want some cool cases for your iPhone, do check out my previous video where I have talked about my favorite iPhone cases. Now next up, we have the Jaybird Tara. I have been fond of Jaybird since Jaybird X2, and this one is no exception. This certainly is the best Jaybird I have used until now. The braided nylon cable and the design straight off shouts ruggedness and sporty. The earbuds each can snap together with the built-in magnets, so when you're not using them, they stay secure around your neck. The earphones also goes to a kind of sleep mode when the buds are snapped together. And there are 3 buttons: volume buttons, which can also be used to seek tracks, and power button, which can also be used to play or pause or trigger voice commands. The earphone sounds amazing. The mids are well tuned, lows are nice and warm, while highs are clear and soft. Also, the ear wings hold your earphone in place, and what I love most about its inner design, which mostly blocks the active noise, but won't hurt your ears for a prolonged usage. The Jaybird My Sound app is also a great plus. The app comes with a wide range of equalizer settings, and you can tune every details to make it sound perfect. It is certainly a great plus for an audiophile like me. The battery life is also super great. I have had up to 26 hours of usage out of this. I normally charge it in a week or so, as I use it as my daily for 2 to 3 hours. Also, the proprietary charger adds to the convenience, as it has 3 pins that connect to the earphone to a USB input, which certainly has a great advantage in waterproofing. And the Bluetooth 5.0 helps in long-range connectivity and a lag-free experience. All in all, it's an all-round package and certainly is worth your consideration if you're looking for a sport earphone that simply sounds amazing. Next up, we have the ZeroLemon power case. No matter how much battery your phone has, you wind up still wanting more. So ZeroLemon solves that problem by giving you power case. Now this packs a 5000 mAh battery inside a relatively small package. And on top of that, the soft TPU case offers 360-degree protection, protecting your phone from scratches and other daily wears and tears. There are 4 LED lights at the back that indicate the battery levels and charging status, and the button allows you to choose when to charge for when you need it most. Using the phone with the case feels fine and doesn't feel all that heavy. Furthermore, the case fits your phone snugly and tightly, so you have better fall protection. And best of all, you don't need to take the battery case off when transferring data. I have with me the S10 Plus model, but it also comes in different phone variations as well. Now if you're not a fan of charging cases, then Hokuni power bank is the way to go. The power bank is very thin and packs a 10,000 mAh battery inside, a USB-A quick charge 3.0 port, a normal USB-A, and a Type-C port that takes in input as well as outputs charge and has power delivery functionality. And best of all, it can charge wirelessly at 5 watts. The Type-C port can charge your power bank in just 4 to 5 hours and you're good to go. There's also a nice LED indicator that reads how much charge you have. The power button is also conveniently located, so it's easy to reach and press. All in all, this has been a great travel power bank as it is easy to carry around and is pretty small and thin, so it will even fit in your pocket. Well, that was it for this video guys. Do leave a thumbs up if you liked it. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell icon if you don't want to miss out on some more upcoming content. And as always, thanks for watching. This is Saman signing out.